Quick and healthy Spanish recipes. Have you ever been enchanted by the vibrant and flavorful world of Spanish cuisine, with its rich history and diverse regional dishes that have gained global acclaim? Spanish food is a celebration of fresh, quality ingredients, bold flavors, and culinary traditions that have been perfected over generations. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of quick and healthy Spanish recipes, we delve into the captivating world of Spanish cooking, unveiling the secrets of how to prepare delicious, nutritious, and authentic Spanish dishes in no time. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that celebrates the transformative potential of quick and healthy Spanish recipes, leaving you curious about how you can savor the essence of Spain in your own kitchen. 1. The allure of Spanish cuisine. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the enchanting allure of Spanish cuisine, celebrating its diversity, regional specialties, and influence on the global food scene. 2. The Spanish culinary philosophy. Understanding Spanish culinary philosophy is essential. We'll explore the focus on quality ingredients, simplicity, and a passion for flavor. 3. The art of quick cooking. Quick recipes are about efficiency without compromising on taste. We'll discuss techniques and tips for speedy Spanish cooking. 4. The Mediterranean diet. Spanish cuisine is known for its health benefits. We'll delve into the Mediterranean diet and how it's incorporated into quick and healthy Spanish recipes. 5. Tapas and small plates. Tapas are a quintessential part of Spanish dining. We'll explore quick and healthy tapas recipes that are perfect for sharing or enjoying as a light meal. 6. Paella perfection. No exploration of Spanish cuisine is complete without paella. We'll discuss how to prepare a delicious and healthy paella in a short time. 7. Traditional with a twist. Quick recipes don't mean sacrificing tradition. We'll highlight recipes that put a healthy spin on classic Spanish dishes. 8. The journey to Spanish flavor. In conclusion, quick and healthy Spanish recipes is a testament to the fact that savoring the essence of Spain in your own kitchen isn't just about long, complicated recipes. It's about recognizing the transformative power of quick, healthy cooking in bringing the bold and authentic flavors of Spain to your table. It's not just about eating, it's about the journey to exploring the rich culinary traditions of Spain in a convenient and nutritious way. As we embark on this culinary journey into the world of quick and healthy Spanish recipes, you'll discover the transformative potential of preparing authentic Spanish dishes with ease. It's a journey of embracing the significance of quick and healthy cooking, allowing you to savor the irresistible flavors of Spain in your home kitchen, one delectable bite at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.